Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a file on a laptop. To delete a file, first, locate and select the file you wish to remove. Then, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action will typically move the selected file into your computer's recycle bin or trash. It is a quick and straightforward process for basic file removal. The recycle bin functions as a temporary storage area for your deleted items, much like a safety net. Files moved here remain accessible, giving you the chance to restore them if you made a mistake. Many systems store these items for about 30 days before automatically removing them, ensuring you have ample time to review your choices. It provides a crucial recovery option. For a more permanent removal, you have two main options. You can bypass the recycle bin entirely by selecting the file and holding down the Shift key while pressing Delete. Alternatively, after moving files to the recycle bin, you can open it and choose the option to empty recycle bin. Be cautious, as files deleted this way are much harder to recover. Deleting an entire folder works just like deleting a single file. Simply select the folder you want to remove and press the Delete key, or use Shift+Delete for permanent removal. Remember, when you delete a folder, every single file and subfolder inside it will also be removed. Always take a moment to double-check its contents carefully to avoid losing important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.